How to summarize a page using AI on the Google Pixel 8a. So let us say we have this Wikipedia page which we have opened. Now, a super important thing to note is that the feature of summarizing a web page only works with Google Assistant. Google Gemini is not capable of that right now. In case you're wondering how to switch between Google Gemini and Google Assistant, we have a video showing you how to disable Gemini on Google Pixel devices, which can be found in the description of this video. So once you're on a web page which you want to summarize, all you have to do next is invoke Google Assistant and you'll get the option of summarizing, or you can use the keyword like hey Google, summarize this page, and if hey Google keyword is activated on your pixel, then it is going to summarize it. Or you can always invoke Assistant manually and bam, here it is. We are getting the option of summarize. We are going to select that option and pretty soon this page should be summarized for us using AI on the Google Pixel 8a. Bam, there it is. We do have our results over here, and of course you can rate the summary, give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down, and there it is peeps. That is how you use the feature of summarizing a web page using AI on the Google Pixel 8a. And before I forget, do note that at the time of recording this video, the feature of summarizing a web page on your Pixel devices using Google AI is limited to only English US language.